Girl, it's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag, I'm a blow through. I need some space in the O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Or stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog I was posting.
What is going on, guys? We got another car in the shop today. Today we're going to be replacing a bunch of front end suspension parts on this car, as well as surprising the boy with some coilovers. With that being said, we're going to do a little quick edit on the car right now, right before we get into it and see what the progress looks like. Let's go. Alright, y'all, now with that being said, we got a bunch of parts here to put on this car, a bunch of front end suspension pieces as far as control arms, sway links, and tie rods and tie rod ends sitting right there, as well as some K-Sport coilovers to go on this beautiful Lexus IS250. It's actually a 2011 Lexus IS250, and it's very, very beautiful for what it is. My boy actually installed his own aftermarket front headlights as well as aftermarket taillights, as you guys can see in the edit, and it looks minty. It looks minty. Now all it's missing today is going to be front end suspension to make it look all brand new and feel brand new, as well as coilovers to drop the ride to make it feel and ride more stable. So this is going to be the best next track car, you already know. Anyways, we're going to get in today to installing all these parts and getting it up and going, and then lowering the car just a bit. I talked it over with him a little bit, gave him a few ideas since we lower a bunch of cars here. Had him take a look at both the Audi, the Volkswagen Beetle, and the Volkswagen Jetta, as well as our other Audi that is chilling all the way down there right now, just to get an idea of what he wants fitment wise, as far as wheels in the future and coilover setup as well. So with that being said, he's gonna try to figure out what rims he wants, but he wants a decent ride. He doesn't want it to be too low, but he doesn't want it to be too high, which is the reason why we got coilovers. So let's get into this install. Ooh. All right, y'all, now that the car is up on jack stands and I could chow the car, all the wheels are off, all that good stuff all the way around, I'm thinking I want to start with the back side real quick. It's got a little bit of a more complicated setup here. There's a lot of control arms. Holy crap. We got the drive shaft that goes here, CV axle, whatever you want to call it, that goes here into the back of the hub, but we also have like 4 different control arms here. This is the spring that we're going to be taking out and replacing. I'm pretty sure it bolts in from the top here. I gotta open the trunk up and see if I can see the bolts from up top, or if they're actually underneath this undercarriage, and there's a bolt down there for that. So I think starting off with the rear is going to be a lot easier than doing all the front suspension at one time would be A1. So let's knock out the rear real quick and get them done. Started on the back and I was right. Took me only like 5 minutes to figure out how to get all the carpet out of the trunk, but it was a lot. There's like 4 different pieces, 1, 2, 3, and then the one underneath it for the back carpeting. And then that allows us to go ahead and take a look at the actual strut assembly on the top half of it, and that gives us an idea of how we're going to pull this off. So all we got to do is unbolt those 3, unbolt it out, put the new one in, and we should be good, as long as we get enough play out of the rear suspension as far as unbolting the bolts. We should be able to put the coilover in a lot easier than it comes out. So we'll see what happens when we unbolt these and what else we might have to unbolt later. All right, y'all, finally got the rear out and disassembled. We had to unbolt each one of these to loosen up the tension on the actual bushings themselves, because they actually stick to the metal and won't let you allow the suspension to move the way it should. But we actually had to take off that bottom control arm right there, which attaches to this, and we put a spring compressor on there just to try to make some leeway room. But you also do have to take the sway link out of that as well, which connects in the middle of it, as well as a height sensor. So after you get all that out, the spring itself just comes right out. And as you guys can see, she's long. So that, compared to what we have in the box for K-Sports, which is that one right there, it's roughly the same, except the only difference is the spring itself is located at the top of the suspension, and on the stock original one, it's located on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and swap these out. It's not that difficult, honestly. I've had way worse. There's a lot of suspension components, but with that being said, pretty light and pretty easy as far as getting them out. So let's get it. So y'all, I got the coilover all installed. As you guys can see, 3 bolts up top. I put a little bit of Loctite on each one. And with that being said, we got the coilover up under here as well. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it is in. It is in, Everything is not bolted up. As you guys can see, some things are loose just because I don't know if I want to raise it or not. As of right now, I put the tire on just to get an idea of what it's going to look like dropped, and also jacked it up a bit. We are looking slammed, boys. Slammed. That is fender to lip right there. And yeah, even a little bit more than fender to lip, honestly. But that is crazy. So I think I'm going to have to raise it up just a tad bit, because that's freaking wild, man. That is slammed on the ground. There's only a little bit of tire sticking on the floor. Just a little bit, not too much. We're gonna have to fix that because we need it to be dailyable. God damn. All right, let's get into it. So y'all, from where I left off yesterday, I finished up the rears on the vehicle itself. It looks very, very good. I got it to the desired ride height that I wanted it to be. It's not gonna be tucked like you guys saw in the last clip. It's very sad, but I got it to where it's gonna look similar to something like that in the rear, as well as something similar to that Jetta right there once it actually gets wheels put on the car. So we are done with the rears. We got them all tied up, tied in, and done. So we're good with those. Now we're gonna start on the front side. We're gonna take off all the suspension, replace all the components, as well as do the coilovers as well. So we got a buttload of parts sitting here that we're gonna be replacing. So let's get into it. So this is the progress that we have made so far. We got everything disassembled. We took the hub off of itself and the knuckle off of the suspension. So it connects up here and down here. And this is actually a weird way. I've never seen this before on a vehicle, but they have like this little bottom ball joint piece that houses both the ball joint for the tie rod end as well as the ball joint for the lower control arm, and this connects to the knuckle itself. This is different, but we're gonna work past it and get everything replaced. This should hopefully help us get this lower control arm out. I'm really confused on how I'm gonna get this strut out without you know, catapulting myself to death, but we'll figure that out right now. All right, y'all, we're a lot further ahead than we last left off at. We actually got all the suspension taken apart. We got the top control off. We got the bottom control arm off. On top of that, we replaced the bottom control arm, and we got the coilover in. So now it's time to get all the rest of the parts put in and put together so this looks A1 okay. Hey, y'all, we got the fronts all buttoned up. Wheel is on, and it's pretty freaking solid. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish up the other side and then show you a finished product. I also got to replace a radiator for him, as well as bleed coolant and stuff like that. So we're gonna get that started. But as far as that goes, this side's done. On to the next. Big day, Mom. What do you think? Big day?
Yep.
So we just completed the vehicle with everything we needed to do as far as getting the radiator replaced and doing all the suspension work on the car. So now it's gonna go on the ground for the first time, and I'm really hyped to see what it looks like on the ground, because it has been up for the past 3 days. So, Mama, I'm gonna have her record. Yeah, by the way. We're looking pretty stock right now. By the way, guys, the coilovers do need time to set in and settle, so it's not going to be a major difference just yet, but it's going to be looking pretty minty here in a second. So I'm going to get the front down as well and see what we're looking at when everything is all... Y'all, what's good? Your boy finally finished up the car. Now it's time for a cinematic edit of the work that we've done.
What's up, bro?
What's good? What's good?
Not much, bro. I just pulled up to my parents' house real quick.
Oh, cool. I crashed your car, by the way.
Alright, cool. Don't worry, my insurance will pay out, bro, when I get the car.
Nah, bro,
So-
but your car's done. Hey, everything's good, and she's looking pretty right now. So
Nice.
yeah.
Hell yeah. Let me me see that. You want to come swoop up and I'll drop you off at back home or what?
You want me to pull up at the ride?
Yeah.
I could do that. I could definitely do that.
And I won't come outside until you're here, and I won't peek.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll keep your word to it, bro. I'll keep your word on it.
Yeah, bro. Trust me, dog. I drove by your house like numerous times today, bro, and I did not fucking look.
Bro.
I wanted to look so damn bad, bro. I was like, nah, bro. I'm gonna stick to my word. I can't look.
Nah, we're all good, bro. We're all good. I'll pull up here in within the next 20 minutes. So I'll see you soon.
Text me or call me when you're outside, all right?
I'll definitely call you when I'm outside.
All right, for sure, man. Late. I'm stoked as fuck.
Y'all heard it here. We're going to go drop off the car to my boy, get his reaction, and yeah, get his reaction. All right, y'all. We just got out here to surprise my boy with the car, and I'm thinking this is the best way to do it with the scenery like this. Come out, peep it. So I think it's time. I think it's time to call him up, let him know I'm here, so I can get him to walk out and see his reaction. Let's go.
Yo, what's up, my guy?
I'm outside, bro.
All right, I'll be out there right now, man.
I bet. All right. So he's on his way out.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Bro,
How
what's
you doing?
good?
What's good,
Not too
man?
bad. Not too bad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We got it cooking for
Hey,
you, bro.
man, damn, she looking nice, bro. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. I like the way you do business, boy. I like the way you do business, man. You looking nice. Oh, man. Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Hey, good looking out, bro. Appreciate you. Yo, I'm gonna have to get you on that supercharger, bro, next. Yo, hook me up with that supercharger, bro.
You already know.
Yeah, bro. Stay tuned, guys. You ain't gonna want the smoke, you know what I mean? They don't want it, bro.
They don't want it.
Let's go for a cruise, man.
Bro, she feels good.
Nice. Oh, I feel the difference. I feel the difference already.
Yeah.
I feel it, bro. Good looking out, my guy. Man, good looking
She's stiff.
out. Yo,
She feels good.
Yo, this is nice. Nice with it.
You said you didn't want it too low, bro, so I got it perfect. So when you
That's
put
perfect, bro.
everything on, you be straight.
That's nice. Wow, that's sick, dude. That's my phone cover photo, bro. You know what I mean?
Got you straight, bro.
Yeah, you did.
Cleaned her up, give her a little wash, detailed her on the outside. And on top of that, I detailed the motor as well, bro.
Nah, you went the extra mile, bro.
Yes, sir.
That's right. I like the way you do business. I like the way you do business.
This was off my Dream to Cruise Cast.
Oh, yes. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, man. New radiator, too.
Yup.
Ooh, look at that cap.
Yup.
Oh, he went hard with that cap. No plastic cap, nothing, bro. A little upgraded, you know, a little.
Little something.
A little something. Yo, it's. Damn, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Nice, bro.
I always forget to film the outros. That's my bad, guys. I always forget to tell you to like, share, and subscribe, but you guys can't be forgetting to do that anyway. So, yeah, new uploads coming out every Sunday. We're back. It's 2026. Your boy, Zeph Cruz. Yeah, we are out, boy. Yeah!